At just $180 only, getting a 2K wireless outdoor security camera with solar power sounds unbelievable, but it's real. Used only 3 months and still in perfect condition, this deal might just be the smartest security upgrade you'll see today. At an incredible price of just $180, this AOSU SolarCam D1 Classic Kit is a deal that truly stands out, especially when you consider everything it offers. First off, this is not just any regular security camera. You're getting a 2K resolution outdoor wireless camera, which means crystal clear footage, whether it's day or night. The clarity ensures you won't miss any important detail around your home. What makes it even better is that it's solar-powered, so you don't have to worry about constant charging or messy wiring. Just install it and let the sun handle the rest. It's designed for convenience and long-term use. Now let's talk condition. This device has been used for only 3 months, and it's still at 100% health, meaning it performs just like new. That's a huge advantage if you're looking for premium quality without paying full retail price. It also comes with a 5,000 mAh battery, giving you reliable backup power and a built-in 32 GB flash memory, so you can store recordings without needing extra subscriptions or cloud storage. The clean white design gives it a modern look that blends perfectly with any home exterior. Plus, it includes a 1-year manufacturer warranty, giving you extra peace of mind with your purchase. So if you're searching for a smart, reliable, and budget-friendly security solution, this is your chance. Deals like this don't stay available for long, so make your move before someone else grabs it.